Good morning, boys and girls.
Hola.
Say good morning, boys and girls.
Good
morning, boys and girls.
Take 3. Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Thank you. You know, they didn't give me this for nothing. Anyway, we're in for a real treat today, boys and girls, because we received another package in the mail. And this time it's from our Google overlords. I'm very excited.
Sent her out the FedEx thing.
Yeah, that's how it got here, because they have to put a mailing
know.
label on
I
it.
know, but it says
And then-
FedEx and it still has the address on it.
Yeah, that's how it got here.
I know, but you're supposed to cross it out before you make a YouTube video.
These kids, you know, I teach them, they teach me. So anyway, this is from Google. Let's see what it is. It's Google CS First. What could the CS stand for?
Chrome something.
Chrome?
Classroom.
Might be the new Google Chrome.
It's computer science.
Yeah.
Okay, so I said to the boys and girls, we received a package in the mail. What should we do?
Open it.
Open it.
We should do an
Unboxing.
unboxing, just like we did the other day
But
with
we opened it.
with our new tablet. And what was funny about that was as soon as we opened it, we recorded a delightful little video, and then
It broke.
just a day later, it stopped working.
Sadness.
So we hope it's all right. All right, here we go. We're unboxing.
Did you notice that the Android has an art backpack on him?
He does.
Maybe artistic.
Yes, because this I actually ordered from Google. This is a brand new kit of Google's curriculum, computer science first education. That's what it says. CS first. Passports. Let's see.
I want a passport.
What do you think, kids? Okay, so let's see. So we have first a list of all of the things that's in the box, and then we have passports. Oh, I wonder where we're going. Maybe Australia, down under. Computer science, art with Scratch. Coding with art with Scratch.
Scratch.
A solution.
Solution sheets. Okay, so this looks like
Scratch.
all of the codes that we need. There's
Stickers.
some, are these stickers? They look like pogs. They look like you punch them out in a little
Yeah.
circle. Do you guys know what pogs are, boys and girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Really, you guys are so smart. Let's see, we have androids and penguins
And much more.
and much more. Scratch. It's a graffiti scratch. So this looks really cool. What do you say we try one of the lessons, boys and girls?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
All in favor? Give me a thumbs up.
This is my
We're not
thumbs
in
up.
favor.
I'm trying to do thumbs up.
Thank you, Kyla. Kyla gives a thumbs up. Okay, let's give it a shot. Everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye.